Guys, so if you guys are following my vlog on Osun vlog, so this is episode 2 of the next place I went to. So guys, let's continue. So I went to the Batik Center. This is the Batik Center. This building is beautiful. Then here they are showing us how to make batik with liquid candle wax. I'm wondering, this is also a form of adire print, but this is adire batik. It's more expensive than normal tie and dye. Look at the work that goes into it. Can you imagine? Like the work, like the meticulousness, the bits and pieces and all that. The guy was giving us a tour of how it come out eventually. The plain white they make first before making it into this adire batik tie and dye. And it's quite expensive though. Like the 5-year fabric of batik is about 10,000 naira per 5 years, and like wow, it's worth it. Look at it, it's artwork. It's really worth it. So the next section, guys, is where they took us to the pot where they put the dyes. So we have local dyes too though, but most of these dyes are imported and faster to make into liquid dye and use it to dye clothes. But when you want to do the processing of the local dyes, like there's particular plant also in this batik center that they make into an indigo color. That's the only color we have. So I don't know if I actually captured this in this clip, but yeah, this is where they make it raw in Nickel Art Center, the Batik Center, actually, not the art center. Guys, I know I've gone to Nickel Art Gallery before, but this is one at Oshogbo. I think this is the first art gallery she has. Sorry for the noise, we are by the roadside, and yeah, so let's explore this. See how it looks. This is way smaller compared to that of Lagos. If you not watch that vlog, please do. Okay. Look at that. Like, you wonder how she's able to make this. You see, guys, it's really beautiful. And the vibe the building is giving me. Let me move backward. Like an old architectural building. You know? Let's go in.
So we call this one chicken feather. So the reason why they include the chicken feather among the design, so we're using the chicken feather drawing the motif on traditional. So we use this chicken feather drawing the motif. Because this particular design is different like the one you see in the workshop. So what today we turn it to a modern system. So we're starting using the candle, drawing all the design on yes.
Hold on.
So there is the chicken feather.
I want to remove your
For
voice.
drawing this one, traditional
My what?
design.
Your voice for me.
So that would make them combine it together using it as a painting. So
The other gallery had something like this.
So that's the third one. So this is the first
Then
one.
these
second
are
one.
the batik full products.
So this is Western shade. So these are the batik. So this is the one you see in the workshop. So you see the processing of this one. So if today is not Saturday, like Saturday in the workshop, so a lot of people they not come to the work because of the weekend. They have one of the competition. So we have many people there, the artists basing on textile. So these are the finishing ones. So these are how the traditional one look after this is work on it. So this is traditional one.
It's kind of
Thick.
thick.
So the
That's
work
the
is
word I
shown in the front only. The back is plain.
Oh, okay.
So we get the dye through the leaf, in the gofera leaf.
How do they
This
prevent
leaf. Indigo.
In the gofera leaf.
This leaf, Abby.
The indigo. So we
Indigo
have,
color.
I think they're showing that today in the workshop.
Yeah.
So we getting the dye through the leaf.
So why is this color not
How
showing
come it
behind?
doesn't show?
And the reason why no, we're using the cassava paste on the clothes. And that cassava paste, not the candle. If like something when you drawing something on the cloth with candle, immediately the dark.
This is smaller than the one in Lagos, obviously. Sorry, I have to say that. Whatever you can only feature in an artwork. Oh guys, this place is full of a lot of homeware stuff. I have something like this I store my jewelry in. Then something like this can be good for saucer plates. Then most of these things are nice for storing homeware, instead of buying things from abroad. You see, this you can store your maybe your food inside, like your beans, your rice. That's my own idea, but you can think of things you can store in things like this. Then this other one, you can store onions in it, or you can use it in your bathroom, like so bathroom basket. Like using our raffia at things for locally made things to be good to promote Nigeria. This makes me feel like we have a lot of things. Look at wooden spoons. Like I just had to watch it, so I will not spend all my money here. main things that were so eye-catching, but for home decor, this place is perfect. For homewares, kitchen utensils, whatever, this is perfect. These are locally made things, though I don't know how price they could be because they are handcrafted, handmade, but yeah, it's worth it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this kind of vlog. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe to my channel for more places to visit together. I hope you guys enjoy this kind of videos. Watch out for episode 3.